How to add business location on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add business location on Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and go to your profile. Now, in order to add business location, you need to firstly make sure that you are using a professional account and not a personal account. So if you are using a personal account, then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that, and then under for professionals, tap on the account type and tools option. You will see the option for switch to professional account now. Tap on that and then go ahead and set up your professional account by simply following the on-screen prompts, and now go back to your profile. You will see the option for edit profile. Tap on that and then tap on the contact options option. You will see the option for business address. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your street address, your city or town, and your zip code. Once you have entered the required details, tap on done, and with this, the business location will be added to your profile. So this is how you can add business location on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.